You see all these birds? They keep landing on the car because we're eating Cheetos and crackers in the car. And they're freaking me out. Hey.
Hey.
You gonna feed a bird?
No.
What if they cover the whole car?
It'd be funny, but I have to clean up a lot of crap.
This is really freaking me out. Hey!
I wish we had a dog right now. Let the dog out.
Alright, if we get attacked by seagulls.
This one's got water dripping from his mouth. Those brown ones over there are pretty. We even have crows out here.
Every bird at the whole beach is here trying to get some crackers. Bird, you better check yourself before you wreck yourself. The ones over here with the weird eyes are freaking me out. See, some of them have black eyes, and some of them have people eyes. The ones with the people eyes are freaking me out.